In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove food items from Myfitnesspal. Whether you've mistakenly logged an item or just want to update your food diary, this simple process will help you keep your nutrition tracking accurate and up to date. First, let's start by visiting the Myfitnesspal website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.myfitnesspal.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you should be directed to the website's homepage. If you're a regular user, you're probably familiar with it, but if not, take a quick look around so you know where everything is. Once you're on the homepage, it's important to make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. If you see a login option in the top right corner of the screen, click on it. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you've forgotten your login details, you can follow the Forgot Password link typically available on the login screen to reset them. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. Next, let's navigate to the Food section. In the main menu at the top, you'll find several options, including Food. Clicking on this option will direct you to your food diary page. This is where all your meal entries are stored. It's a good idea to get comfortable with this area if you're focused on tracking your nutritional intake. Once you're in the food diary, look for the different meal sections like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. You want to scroll to the meal period that contains the food item you wish to remove. It's always organized by meals, so it's quite user-friendly to locate the entry you're looking for. After you've pinpointed the correct meal, scan through the list of foods you've logged. This is where you can review each item and see nutritional details. When you find the food item you want to remove, direct your attention to the far right side where you'll see a little negative sign or minus icon. It's designed to make removing items as straightforward as possible. With the negative sign in sight, click on it. This simple click will immediately remove the selected food item from your meal list. It's as easy as that. If you've accidentally removed something, don't worry. You can always re-add the item by searching for it again in MyFitnessPal's extensive database. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove food items from your MyFitnessPal food diary. Regularly updating this diary helps in maintaining accurate nutritional tracking, contributing to better health goals and management. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you effectively manage your diet objectives with MyFitnessPal.